Okay.
Hey everybody, this is Larry from beautiful Northwest Arkansas, BioGreen Solutions. We're back on YouTube. I got to tell you, I'm excited about this. I had a couple of guys that approached me, Northwest Arkansas here, a few months back, and they were saying that they want to build me a bigger and better machine than I've ever seen. And so they did, and we've had this tested out in the field. I've got probably 100 hours on this particular machine. I've got two others that were the first prototypes. This is the last one, and I gotta tell you, I'm excited about this. This will shoot across the carpets. I'm gonna turn it on here in a second, show you how powerful this motor is and how quiet it is. Now, you don't have to get all those pesky stands and lift this puppy up in the air. This weighs about 21, 22 pounds. So you're saving money on stands. You don't need it. Everybody knows Ozone's gotta be high in the air because it's heavier than air, so you gotta shoot it high. What we can do with this, I'm going to turn this fan on now, and I'm going to show you just how powerful this puppy is. Bear with me here. Here we go. Let's turn it on. Got to plug it in first. There we go. Got to get to a good plug. And you got to look at see how powerful that is. That's going to shoot 20 foot across the room. Now, that's when you want to shoot low for your pet odors, but when you want to get high in the room, you can set this right in the center of a 20 foot by 20 foot room. Set that up there. Look how powerful that thing is. That's just blowing all over the place. I'm impressed, I'll tell you. These guys are building, take a look at that now. There's 5 transformers running they're 7,000 watts. We've got 10 plates inside here. I'm going to lay it down on the edge like we're shooting down low now. And I'm going to turn this fan off, and I'm going to plug in these plates, and you're going to see I ran this for 5 hours. Like I said, I've done 100 hours, so there's 100 hours on these plates. I ran it for 5 hours. Sherry, if you can get a load down in here, let me tip it back to you. Look at every one of those plates are glowing like a Christmas tree. There's no fault whatsoever. These are running at 100%. And I ran this for 5 hours the other day. I went in at about 4.5 hours, put my respirator on, and it was just flooded with ozone in there, and every one of these plates was firing at 100%. Now I talked to these guys. They're pricing this at right around $900, which I think it's a great deal for 35,000 MPHs. Right now we're currently using 3 to 5 units in a treatment of, say, a 2-bedroom apartment, depending on how big. I can eliminate one machine by going with these. Boy, smell how that is powerful. Turn this fan on a little bit. I want you to listen how quiet this is. Now that's quiet. Another thing you don't have to do, you don't need those stupid hoses hooked on here to get through to the intake of your cold air return in the furnace registers. So you're saving on that too. Some of the registers are down on the floor, the return air. Most of them are right up on the ceiling, like in where Sherry and I are living. Ours is in the ceiling. I would just set this on the floor and pump it right up there, and it's going to go through the entire ductwork. It's important. You want to get that ductwork. Every treatment, we do the ductwork. So I just want you to look how nice that is. I'll tell you what, these guys really built a beautiful machine. It's compact. When you plug that in, that lights up your ozone plates. I got to unplug this because that is really powerful. Anyways, and they're going to be guaranteeing these for 1 year. You can get a hold of me at nwabiogreen.com. Go on to our website. You can contact us. These guys don't have their website set up yet. I told them I would get them started, and I'm promoting this because I'm going to be purchasing more of these machines. This will run forever. Okay, I'm going to let you go now. I think I talked enough. Y'all have a great day. Thanks.